We have heard of Jambavan, the king of bears in Ramayana in Treta Yuga. But did you know that Jambavan met Sri Krishna in Dwapara Yuga too? Satrajit, a rich merchant in Dwaraka, was a very big bhakta of Suryadeva. Impressed and pleased with his devotion and sadhana, Suryadeva gives him a jewel that will give him wealth every day. This was called the Saimantaka jewel. The possession of this jewel made him the target of all the greedy troublemakers in the city. When Sri Krishna heard about it, he and Akrura visited Satrajit and explained to him that because of the danger, it would be safer and better to keep the jewel in the palace. But Satrajit, suspicious, refused. One day, Satrajit's brother Prasenajit went out hunting wearing the jewel. Unfortunately, in the forest, he got attacked by a lion and was killed. The lion, seeing this shining toy, took it with him. When he reached home, Satrajit realized that the Saimantaka jewel was also missing. He suspected foul play. He goes to the palace and accuses Sri Krishna of murder and theft. So Bhagwan Krishna then sets out to investigate the matter to prove his innocence. Reading the signs of the trail left behind by Prasenajit, he finds that Prasenajit was in a fight, and the trail led him to a lion which was lying dead, but there was no jewel near him. On searching further, the trail led him to a cave where a young she-bear was playing with the jewel. Sensing an intruder, she looks up and runs inside. Her father, who is Jambavan, the king of bears, comes out. Thinking that Krishna had come to harm his daughter, he challenges him in a fight. The fight went on for a very long time. Some scriptures say for 28 days. And it was getting very difficult for Jambavan, the undefeatable, to hold his own in the fight. Getting tired and trying to puzzle out who this person was, he loses the fight. That is when Jambavan suddenly realizes that this could be none other than his Bhagwan, as only Bhagwan could defeat him. He remembered that Sri Rama had promised him a fight in his next avatara. He prostrates before Sri Krishna and offers his daughter's hand in marriage and returns the jewel to him. He explains that he found a lion playing with the shining toy and tried to take it for his daughter. Bhagwan Krishna accepts Jambavati as his wife and returns with her and the Saimantaka jewel to Dwaraka. Immediately, Krishna goes to Satrajit and returns the jewel to him. Ashamed of his false accusations and his own greed and insecurity, Satrajit asks for forgiveness and gives his daughter Satyabhama's hand to Krishna in marriage, as well as the Saimantaka jewel. Krishna accepts Satyabhama but asks Satrajit to keep the jewel with him and to use it only for good.